Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wagoneer L Series 3 in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, Hurricane twin-turbo engines, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7764.